Naiditi,
Yes, Mama.
today we will learn how to convert improper fraction to mixed fraction. Okay?
Okay, Mama.
So before that, let me explain you what is improper fraction. Okay?
Okay, Mama.
Improper fraction is a fraction where you will find the numerator is bigger than the denominator.
Yes, Mama.
See the board. 7 is the numerator. Okay? And what is the denominator?
2.
2 is the denominator. So in improper fraction, you will see always that 7 will be bigger than the denominator. Okay?
Okay, Mama.
So you can identify which one is improper fraction, where you will find the bigger number in the numerator than the denominator. Okay?
Okay, Mama.
So now we will convert improper to mixed fraction. How? How we will do? First we will divide the numerator by the denominator.
Okay, Mama.
So what is the numerator?
7.
And what is the denominator?
2.
2. So now can you show me the division?
Okay, Mama.
Okay.
2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 threes are 6, 7 minus 6, 1.
1. Very good. So what is the quotient?
3. Quotient.
Yes. Show me the remainder.
1 is the remainder.
1 is the remainder. And the denominator is which one? Which one is the denominator? Yes.
2.
2 is the denominator. Now we have to write that in the mixed fraction way. So the 3 is the quotient, right? So 3 will be the whole number part. Equal, give equal. And the remainder will be the numerator.
1.
Yes, 1 will be the numerator and the denominator will remain as it is.
2.
Yes. So did you get it?
Yes, Mama.
Yes. So 3 will be the quotient, 1 is the remainder and the denominator will remain as it is. Is this clear to
Okay,
you?
Mama.
Will I give you one to do?
Yes, Mama.
Okay, let me give you. 17 by 4. Right. 17 by 4. First show me the numerator and the denominator. Which one is the numerator?
17.
17 is the numerator. What is the denominator?
4.
Very good. Now what you're going to do? To convert it into mixed fraction, this is an improper fraction. Right?
Yes, Mama.
Because we see 17 is bigger than the denominator, that is 4. So now divide. You have to convert it into mixed fraction. No, for that you have to divide. Do the rough work. Do the division.
Four, 17.
Yes.
4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20. 0. 4 fours are 16. 16, 17. 1.
Okay. Very good. Now what you're going to do? Which is the whole number part?
4.
4. That is the quotient.
Quotient.
Yes, the quotient is the
4.
whole number part. And which one will be the numerator?
1.
Very good. The remainder will be the numerator.
Remainder is the 1.
Remainder is 1. And what is the denominator?
4.
Yeah, very good. The denominator will remain as it is. See, in the improper fraction also the denominator was 4. So, in the answer also you get the same denominator. But while writing the whole number part, write the 4 in the middle. Rub and write the 4 in the middle. Yes, write properly. Very good. So is this clear?
Yes, Mama. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you.